Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make simple healthy burgers. To make this recipe, I started off by marinating my chicken breast overnight. If you want me to make a detailed video on this, please let me know in the comment section below. After that, I preheated my oven for a couple of minutes at 350 degrees, and I set my chicken breast in the oven to grill it. I added 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I combined it together. When this is all mixed up, set it aside. Don't forget to check your chicken breast in the oven and turn it to the opposite side if needed. I'm going to be using some bread buns. This is about 70 calories each, and I did toast the bread buns, just the top side of it, in the oven, and I left the bottom plain just to give me a different texture. I'll be using the Swiss cheese because it's low in calories, and one slice is about I'll also be using the lettuce, guys. This is really healthy and it has so many amazing benefits. So guys, did you know that lettuce promotes sleep? It's high in antioxidants, it hydrates the body, relieves anxiety, and it also has antimicrobial properties. Yes guys, it does. So I'm going to be cutting both sides of my bread buns with the mayo and ketchup mixture. After that, I'm going to be arranging my sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, and purple onions, red onions rather, on my bread buns. Now you can slice your vegetables to whatever texture that you like. So I like a mixture of both thin and thick, and that is exactly what I did. And I'm just going to be layering them as I like. So I started with the vegetables, then I did the grilled chicken and the cheese on it, then the lettuce on it, before I placed the top of the buns on the burger. So yes, this is exactly how I did it. The pickled cucumbers or whatever vegetables they use in your favorite burger that you always buy, contains high amount of sodium, and the beef or pork or chicken that's usually in most fast food burgers are high in saturated fats and just basically unhealthy fats because they're deep fried in oil and processed through really unhealthy methods. So guys, this is something you can easily make at home, and it's really healthy and simple to make, and made with fresh vegetables and grilled chicken. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this video has blessed you, please click the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you guys. Bye.